Hello AppsApk followers and welcome to another video of 2019. Now today we are going to look at the app Evernote. Now this app works as a planner for notes and memos. So whenever you want to note things down, it's always good to use Evernote because it allows you to check your phone for things like to-do lists and tasks that are at hand. This app is also important if you are a business person as well, because it allows you to set goals for yourself and to tick down things that you have, tick down goals that you have hit, and of course set new ones. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the app. So let's go ahead to open. Now once this app has finished loading up, you want to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to continue with Google. So just give me a second while I enter my details, and of course I'm going to blur things out just for safety purposes. Let me type in my password. So now it's getting me set up. Right, so now once you have finished downloading the app, it will give you some step-by-step guidelines on where to go for certain things. So for example, it says here to, of course, autosave photos from your gallery. So it's giving you, step by step, etc. The first section that we are going to look at is all notes. So these are all the notes that you have, of course. Now, what is interesting about this app as well is that it allows you to share your notes with different people, and you can also give access to other Evernote users as well. And it's a pretty cool tool because if you're a business, for example, you can of course share your notes with either your, should I say, friends, or you can share this with either your students or your employees, and this is very good. What's also interesting about this app as well is that it allows you to sync it. So not only does this app work with Android, but it also works with Apple as well. If I was to decide to change my phone from an Android to an Apple, I would still have access to the same notes that I had previously with Android, and this is pretty cool because it allows you to save certain information in case you change from a phone to a desktop or something like that, or a different device. Now let's go to notebooks. So this is my notebooks. This is what I have so far. I'm not really a big Evernote user, so I don't really have a lot here. The next thing we have is shared with me. So this is one person I have documents or information shared with. He actually shared this little document with me, so I can see. And what I can also do is I can edit the notes as well. So if you see on the bottom right hand corner, it says edit note. You want to click on the pen, and then it allows me to write onto this and remove certain stuff. Well, I just made a mistake. Let me go back. And then once I've finished editing, I can press the top left hand click or tick, sorry, and yeah, what I can also do is I can add attachments over here. I can add photos. I can change the font style, so I can put bold, I can underline things, I can put steps, so step 1, step 2, etc., bullet points, and so forth. So this is a very detailed app. The next thing we want to go to is collect photos. So this basically allows you to use photos from your gallery you know, and it actually saves them to your notes, which is pretty impressive. And yeah, work chat, you know, you can also talk with the people that you have shared documents with, and so forth. We also have dark themes, so if your phone is very bright, you can turn on dark theme to lower the brightness of the phone. And then there's also settings, so there's also, you know, you can do stuff with the cameras, the notes, etc. And yeah, so this is a very good app to use with not just one person but a multiple group of people, and this is very useful for businesses. And yeah, there you have it, guys. So if you've liked this Evernote tutorial or review, please leave a like and do subscribe to keep notified for following videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.